Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at ARM and we have been tracking this wave 1 to the upside as an A, B, C. Then we had an A, B, C, quite possibly completing the wave 2 with that movement. And now we are tracking a larger A, B, C pattern, A, B, C, to complete a larger third wave to the upside. Now in this case the A wave could either be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. It is not the time to determine that, but yeah, we can look at the first wave to the upside, which could be considered the wave 1, but to be honest, the structure is not great. It could easily be something like an A, B, C or something like that. Many different ways to count it. I could consider it complete at this point, and I would expect it to reach the retracement area in the white support zone from $126.8 down to around $93.8. I do have the alternative count here, where we maybe had a series of 1-2 setups in this case, and this was a 1 2 1 2 1 2, and now we could expect a reversal instead from the green support zone that starts from $148.8 down to around $130.5. And to be honest, I could consider this 3-wave move to the downside quite complete, or quite nearly complete. I would like to see one more 4-5 in this area, so one more movement to the downside to actually see it even better as a 5-wave move in a wave C. And let me even label it as such, so A, B, C. I will mark it as green, and a resistance zone in this case would be from $142 up to around $150. So if we actually break above the $150 level, I would expect either more direct upside or that we are in maybe a different count where we have still a larger A, B, C and get to the white support zone. But this area is an area with a decent idea, decent interpretation. It doesn't provide the same risk-reward ratios as the white support zone, but keep in mind there is the risk that we don't actually get there and push directly higher. So yeah, if you really want to enter in this stock, it might be an okay time to do so in this case. And I would still expect one more low in this area, but it's not guaranteed. The wave C could be considered complete here. But that's it for now. These are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.